Hi everyone, I'm here today to introduce you to the WunderKeys Printable of the Week. This is one of the many resources that you can download for free from the WunderKeys Toolkit. Today we are talking about a note reading practice tracker that's a great resource to use during the month of October to get your students excited and motivated to spend some time at the piano at home, with the added benefit of also boosting their note reading skills. To find this, you can head over to WunderKeys.com and click on Grow Your Studio. If you're not yet a subscriber, it's 100% free and you can sign up for free access. Enter the password you'll receive as a subscriber, click enter, and this takes you into the toolkit where you'll want to click on Members Only Printables. And once you've done that, you'll be in where all of our resources are. You'll see this resources first right now, but as we add more, you may need to sort. So choose VU Library and then Halloween as your sort terms. And that will bring up all of our Halloween resources. You'll see the practice trackers there. Just click on it and that opens it up. And you can click on the image to download the PDF. Inside the PDF, you'll see some matching resources, instructions on how to use it, and a set of 2 practice trackers that you can download for free to use with your students. In terms of how to use it, so go to the toolkit, download it, print it out, choose the correct note set for your individual students. So one of the practice trackers uses just middle A, B, C, D, E, and one of them uses bass staff F, G, A, B, C in middle C position. So select the right one for your student and send it home with them with the instructions that they should color in 2 squares according to the legend they'll see at the bottom there for each day they practice. So for example, on the practice tracker with the picture of the bat, the first 2 notes are middle C and D. So they would look down at that legend and see what color corresponds with middle C, color the box that color, and then look to see what color corresponds with middle D and color that box that color. Once they've finished the entire practice tracker and it's all colored in, you can ask them to bring it back to their lessons and you can offer a small incentive or prize for completion of their practice tracker. You can match these resources with the perfect Halloween book. Bat Von Flapp's Fairy Tales and Scary Tunes uses that middle A, B, C, D, E note set. It includes 7 solo pieces and a teacher-student duet, as well as note reading games and activities, sight reading, technical exercises, rhythm, and more, all wrapped up in a fun Halloween fairy tale theme that kids just love. Or if you have students who are using the printable that uses F, G, A, B, C in middle C position, you can match it with Mummy Rocks the Costume Contest. This uses stepping and skipping notes in middle C position. It also includes 7 solo pieces and a teacher-student duet, as well as all of the fun note reading games and activities and sight reading, rhythm, and more that you'll find in the VU library books. This one has a really cute Halloween costume contest theme that's fun for the month of October. While we were in the toolkit there, you probably saw quite a few other Halloween resources. These are just a selection of some of them that you'll find in there. The first one is a Halloween mystery message where students use their note reading skills to decode a secret message. The middle printable there is a note printing game using middle A, B, C, D, E. And the final printable on your screen there is an alpha note solo for your students who aren't yet reading on the bass staff, but who want some spooky music for the month of October. You'll find these resources as well as over 400 more in the WunderKeys Toolkit. Subscribe for free at WunderKeys.com and enjoy.